Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to check RAM speed in Windows 11. There are a host of ways to go about this. In a Windows computer, you can check your RAM speed through Task Manager, Command Prompt, and even third-party apps, which Windows doesn't have a lack of. Let's start with Command Prompt. Disclaimer: you won't be able to see all results on our screen because we use a virtual simulator to record some of the tutorials. Nevertheless, your PC will display all the necessary results. Open Taskbar Search. Type CMD. Look for Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. Command Prompt will launch. Copy the command you can find in the description box below. Paste command in Command Prompt and press Enter to run. You will see results about RAM speed on your screen. There's another way to see the RAM speed info. Right-click on the Windows icon on the taskbar. Choose Task Manager from the list. Task Manager window will open. Go to Performance tab. Select Memory from the left side list. You will see information about RAM speed on your screen. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!